How to change your profile picture on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok easy and fast. First thing you do, you go to TikTok, and this is my profile as you can see. Now if you want to change your profile picture, just click on edit profile right here and click change from here, and you will be able to change it. And also there is another trick, just click on it from here and click here on this pencil, and you will change it in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.